What's up, y'all? It's your girl Jasmine, and I'm back with another video. In this video, I'll be showing you all how I watercolor some hair from the new collection is dropping this April 2024. I am dropping a new hairline of raw Vietnamese hair. And I'm gonna tell you right now, the hair is the bomb. Okay, so this video was actually recorded in 2020, I think February of 2020. If you see the background, this is like my very first tweets when I was in Matthews, North Carolina. And yeah, I was, planning to release this hair back then. And I did try to release this hair back then. But I didn't keep up or manage how it was actually shown through my website and the easy and accessibility for my clients to be able to purchase this hair. So we are redoing it up this year. We are re-releasing this hair. And as you can see, look at that hair. Okay, I've been testing the same hair for years, y'all. I colored this wig blonde from black, and as you can see, it's moving, it's fluffy, but I wanted to do something different. So we're gonna watercolor this hair. I believe this hair is a 12-inch sleek straight texture. This is our Vietnamese texture of hair. This is the 12-inch straight. I have made it into a wig that I constructed by hand myself on a sewing machine. So with the watercolor, you're gonna start with some hot water. I'm starting off with Cajun spice and paprika. Now take notes. I did mix in a lot of different colors to get the color that I got at the end, okay? To get the final result. And I'm gonna be honest with y'all, the color was fire. I'm like, dang, I came up with that. But I had to mix a bunch of different colors together to get there. A good tip for watercoloring is to make sure that you have a piece of paper towel so you can dip the paper towel in there so it can show you what color you're making before you or to drop it on, some blonde hair. I have found that is a great way to test the color before you just start dipping that wig. Because if you dip that wig in there and the color ain't coloring, then yeah, then you done messed up. So test the color first on your watercolor. Just some good tips for watercoloring. Make sure the water is hot. It ain't got to be boiling, but just make sure it's hot. You want to use at least 2 bottles of hair color, at least 2 bottles. But because I was making a very decent color, I think I used 4. Well, in total, I probably used like 2.5 because the other bottles of color wasn't that much. And as you can see, I just tested that with that paper towel and I didn't like it. I didn't like the color. So I'm about to go in and start adding. So I think I added a little bit of Adore Orange Blaze. And then I think after this, I use Ruby Kisses. I'm about to show y'all in just a second. A red. Ruby Kisses Intense Red. Excuse me. Kiss Colors Intense Red. So I use Adore Orange Blaze, Paprika, Cajun Spice, and then I use the Kiss Intense Red. Now this color came out fire. The orange with the red mixed. It really set this wig off. Okay, it really did. It set this wig off. And I'm gonna show y'all at the end what that looks like. So make sure that you all stay tuned for the remainder of this video. Again, I have a new line of hair that is dropping. Look at that hair. It's beautiful. That color is bleached from black. Okay, I want y'all to notice the hair that I'm releasing takes color very well. Stay tuned so I can show you all or let you all know how this hair is. What's the difference between raw hair and virgin hair? That video will be dropping this week as I show you all, the different textures that I will be releasing April of 2024. So this is TPLXtensions, honey. We are coming to take over. I am here to supply you with the best quality hair. This hair that I've been using or testing for over 6 years, honestly. I mean, I have wigs to this day that I still have from when I first started using this hair. This hair is the bomb, but I'm not going to do too much convincing. I'm going to just keep dropping videos so you can see it for yourself. But this is using a 12-inch straight, 14-inch straight with a closure wig that I made by hand on the sewing machine. And now I'm just bleach bathing the color. And I use 4 different colors, which I have listed down in the description box. But as you can see, be careful dipping that closure. You don't want to put that closure in there because the whole lace gonna change colors. Don't ever do that when watercoloring. Don't put the lace under there. You don't need those problems. Okay. All right, y'all. As usual, thank you all so much for tuning in. Just stay tuned for the rest of this video. I will see you all next week. Peace.